In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Docs with all tabs. Whether you're looking to share a document with someone who prefers PDFs, or you simply want to store a document locally on your device, this guide will walk you through the steps. Let's dive right in. First, open the Google Doc that you want to download. Now, once you're inside the document, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. There, you're going to find the File menu. It's your first stop. Go ahead and click on that File option. A drop-down menu will appear, offering a range of choices from creating a new document to sharing or moving it. In the drop-down menu, you're going to focus on the Download option. It's about halfway down the list, nestled among other useful features. Click on Download, and you'll notice that it expands into a few different format options for your document. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're aiming to download the document as a PDF file. PDFs are great because they preserve the layout of your document, making sure it looks exactly as intended across any device or platform. So go ahead and click on the PDF option. After selecting PDF, a dialog box may appear, asking where you wish to save your document. Choose your desired location on your computer where you can easily access this file later. If you have specific download settings, your file might just start downloading immediately to your default download folder, so be sure to check there if you don't see the Save Location prompt. Once the PDF option is clicked, and you've determined where it will be saved, the Google Doc will begin the downloading process. You'll see the progress in your browser's download status bar. If you need to access this file later, simply open your File Explorer or browser's Download Manager to find it. And there you have it. Now you know how to download a Google Doc as a PDF file with all tabs included. This method is especially useful because it keeps your document's formatting intact and allows for easy sharing and printing. Remember, if you want to explore other available formats for different purposes, like Microsoft Word or Open Document, all you need to do is repeat the same steps and select a different format instead of PDF. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Happy downloading, and see you next time.